Good morning, everybody. So, in today's class, we are going to continue that pH scale. And we know that the pH scale is designed by a scientist name called as, what is the scientist name, everybody?
Soren.
Yeah. So, pH scale is designed in the year of 1909 by Mr. Sorensen. So pH scale is designed only based upon the concentration of what? All of you?
Hydrogen ions.
Yeah.
I don't know.
H plus ions. So that is why P indicating power and H indicating what is that? Hydrogen.
Concentration.
Yeah. So power of hydrogen is only known as pH scale. So small p, capital H, that is the representation of pH. So the strength of the acids and bases based upon the pH value we can decide. So as we all know that, for example, if I take pH is equals to 1, and if I take pH is equals to 4, then we know that who is the strong acid, everybody? All of you? pH 1 is the strong acid compared to pH 4. So pH 4 is a what, everybody? Weak acid.
Yes.
Understand? So as we all knows that when the pH value increasing, all of you remember pH value is increasing, then the concentration of H plus ions decreasing or increasing? All of you.
Decreasing.
Concentration of H plus ions will be, what will happen? Decrease.
Decrease.
Okay. So that is why if you take the low pH, the concentration is, it is strong acid or weak acid? Everybody. Strong acid. Understand? So that is what, if you are taking a high pH, more pH, the weak acid, less pH, strong acid. So if you take the acids, we all know that the pH value varies from where to where, everybody? So first acids. For acids, the pH value varies from where to where, guys? All of you?
0 to 14.
So for acidic solution, pH value, of course, our pH scale must be from where to where? 0 to
0 to 14.
Our pH value for acidic solution must be less than 7. Okay, everybody clear? All of you? That is what. Next, for neutral, remember, for neutral solution, if you notice it, the pH value is equals to how much, guys? All of you?
7.
Equals to 7. Understanding? And if you take for basic solution or alkaline, basic solution also we can say what? Alkaline solution, the pH value must be where, guys? All of you?
Greater than.
Understanding? So here you remember, concentration of H plus ions is greater than, what is that? OH minus ions. Here concentration of H plus ions is equals to what? Concentration of OH minus ions. Here concentration of OH minus ion is greater than concentration of H plus ion. So what is a common thing? Is it acids means only they contains H plus ions? Everybody? Is the acids only contains H plus ions? That is what my question.
No, sir.
No. So that contains what? OH minus ions also. But who is the dominating one? Everybody?
H plus ion.
They have more number of H plus ions compared to the OH minus ions. So if I take the base now, so we are having a basis. So all of you remember, pH scale is varies from 0, 7 and as well as 14. So 0 to 7, what we used to call, everybody? We used to call
Acid.
all of you acid. 7, only 7, we used to call it as what?
Neutral.
All of you.
Neutral.
And 7 to 14, what we used to call? Everybody.
Base.
Called as bases. What happened to Noor? He cannot able to open Juma. One minute. We understand everybody? So that is what pH scale. So pH scale varies from 0 to 7, acids, neutral 7, and 7 to 14, bases. Now, let me take now, I'll represent, observe very carefully. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'll take pH is 0. This pH is 0 also matter. And pH is 2. Now who is greater? Like who is strong acid? pH is 0 or pH is 2. Who is a strong acid? Everybody?
0.
Yes.
pH 0.
So pH is 0 is very, very strong.
Strong acid.
Understanding? So means in the sense of pH 2 is a what? Compared to the pH 0, is a strong acid or weak acid? It is the
Weak acid.
but of course, see, compare, that is what. But of course, pH 2 is also strong acid or weak acid. pH 2 is also
Strong acid.
so compare to pH 0, pH 2 is weak acid. So from the 7, if I am moving right side, all of you tell me. So H plus ion concentration decreases or increases? H plus ion, sorry, left side. If I am moving left side, H plus ion concentration, H plus ion concentration decreases or increases, guys? All of you? Decreases. Who is that increases saying? pH, H plus ion concentration decreases. Sorry. Very good, correct. H plus ion concentration, yes. H plus ion concentration increases. That is why it will become strong acids. So pH 6, pH 5, pH 4, pH 3, pH 2, pH 1, pH 0. So keep on increasing. H plus ion concentration keep on increasing. If I move from 0 to 7, H plus ion concentration, what will happen? Everybody.
Decreasing.
Ion concentration. All of you. What will happen? H plus ion concentration decreases. Clear, everybody? That is what. Next. At neutral, what will happen? H plus ion concentration is equals to OH minus. That is what. Now, from the 7, if I am keep on moving right side, for example, from the, this is my right side, I am moving right side. For you, it is opposite. Be very careful. Always your right hand is your right hand, your left hand is your left hand. Keep it in mind that. So, from 7, I am moving like this. So, H plus ion concentration decreases or increases? H plus ion concentration.
Increases, sir.
Decreases. H plus ion concentration decreases. In a hurry. Correct? Because, what will increases? OH minus ion concentration. OH minus ion concentration. What will happen, guys? Increases. That is why 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So now, pH value 11, pH value is equals to 11, and pH value is equals to 14. So who is the strong base? pH 14 or pH 11? Everybody.
14.
pH 14 is a strong base. Clear? And pH 11 is a what? Everybody. Weak base. Understand, everybody? So in bases, pH value must be higher or lower for strong. Everybody. In bases, the pH is strong. More means strong. In acids, pH is less means it is strong. Do you all understand, everybody? Yes, please. All of you? That is what you have to remember. So now, if you observe very carefully, so if I take a acids, so we all know that acids, they will convert what litmus to what litmus, everybody. Acids, They are having, yes,
Blue litmus to
blue litmus to red in color. And if you take the pH value is having less than 7, pH is less than 7. All of you remember, they are, what is the nature? All of you? Acidic nature. So they will convert blue litmus to what litmus? Which color? They will convert blue litmus to red
Red.
color. And also, they turns the methyl orange indicator to what color? Everybody, methyl orange, man-made indicator. Methyl orange, what is the color, guys? Red.
Orange.
Red color. And phenolphthalein, if you take, what is the color? No change in color. Yes or no?
color.
Yes, no change in color. So if I say acids, lower the pH, stronger will be the acid or weaker will be the acid? Everybody,
Stronger.
Stronger will be there.
understand? Stronger the acid. So please remember that. Very, very important. Lower the pH, the stronger the acid. That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, everybody? Clear, Mr. Rohit, Pugal, Mr. Guru?
Sir.
So this is what about the acids. Same way for bases. So bases CSE. Acids, lower the pH, the stronger the acid. For bases, anybody can tell me? Bases.
Higher the pH.
Higher the
Stronger the
pH,
base.
the stronger the
Base.
stronger
Base.
the base. Or alkali. Your choice. That is what you have to remember. So here what is that? They will turn into what litmus to what litmus? They will turns
Red litmus.
red litmus to everybody. Blue in color. Understand? And they will make methyl orange. What is the color? Methyl orange.
Yellow.
Methyl orange, they will change us to yellow color. And phenolphthalein also. Acids, phenolphthalein, no change in color. But bases, they will show some color. What is the color?
Pink color.
Pink color. Okay.
Pink color.
Somebody's speaker is, I think, problem. Please, you don't speak. So phenolphthalein, they will show what color? Everybody. Pink color. So that is what you have to remember. Are you all writing the notes, everyone? Every point,
Yes.
it is very important. So that is what you have to remember. Keep it in mind, make it quick. Write it. Harizaraj, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Taking the notes or not?
Yes, sir. Taking notes.
Yeah. Mr. Gokul Krishna, Aswin Gokul, I want to know. Mr. Kaushik Hero, are you taking the notes? Okay. Is it completed, everybody? Omar? Yeah. So now observe very carefully here. So this you see, this is the one picture will completely describes all the properties of acids and as well as bases and everything. So this is what our basic pH scale, as I told you, pH scale is varies from where to where, guys? pH scale is varies from 0 to
0 to 14.
okay. That is what. You just all of you wait. Hey, Mr. Omar, are you there in meeting or not? I want response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Listen carefully. Be active, boy. Then only you won't get sleep. If you are keep on responding, you never.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to involve in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the most important one. You all need to draw in your classwork also. So which will describe entire pH scale. So we all knows that what is the pH scale, everybody? pH means what? Power of
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
okay. So that is what. So observe very carefully. So pH scale is having 3 parts: 0 to 7, 1 part, at 7 second part, and 7 to 14 is a third part. So now, from here also I'm saying, here, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are called as, what is to call? All of you? Who is to called as?
Strong acid.
Who is that? Hey, who is that? I'm getting mad. That sound will irritate. Please don't speak, you, no problem. So strong acid. Then 4, 5, 6, who is to called as what? Everybody. Who is to called as?
Weak acid.
Weak acids. Okay. So that is what next. Same way. 8, 9, 10, who is to called as what? Weak alkalis. And 11, 12, 13, and 14, who is to called as what? Everybody. Strong. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Very, very important. So once again, I'm saying 0, 1, 2, 3 are usually considered to be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, who is to consider as strong acids. Next, 4, 5, 6, who is to consider as a what? Everybody. Weak
Weak
acid.
acid.
So that is why when we are moving from 7 to left side, this is what my left side. For me, is it right, left or right? Am I correct, everybody? For this, it is left or right? Left only. So this is what my left hand, and this is what my right hand. For you, it may be opposite, but if you see from according to your screen, it is right only. Am I correct, guys? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is what. So from the 7, if I'm moving towards to my left hand, all of you observe. One is increasing, one is decreasing. Who is increasing? Sridhar. So increasing acidic nature means, acidic nature is increasing means who is increasing? H plus ions concentration is increasing, and same way what is decreasing, everybody? OH minus ion concentration decreasing. So that is why when we are moving towards the left hand, so acidic nature will increase us or acidic nature will decrease us, everybody? Acidic nature will increase. Understand?
Increase.
So instead of H plus ions, also we can call one more ions. What is that, everybody? Hydronium ions. Okay, that is what you have to remember. Mr. Kaushik, can you hear me? Okay, so that is what. Now from the 7, if you notice 7, so 7 is what we all know. H plus ion concentration is equals to what, everybody? OH minus ion concentration. That's fine. We don't have any problem with that. Next, from the 7, you can see 8, 9, and 10. They are considered as a what? 8, 9, and 10 are usually considered as, everybody?
Weak base.
Weak base.
Understanding? Or weak alkalis, we used to say. Weak alkalis or weak base. Next, the pH values 11, 12, 13, and 14, we used to called as, basically considered as strong base or
Strong base.
strong alkalis. So alkalis means who is more? OH minus ions is more or H plus ions is more? Everybody.
OH minus
Minus
ions.
minus.
Understand? So that is what you have to remember. So that is why from the 7, if I'm moving towards to the right, more than this much clear, nobody will teach it. Still, if you are not understand and not responding, better you can leave from the meeting. That is what. So you can move from 7 to right side. So increasing of what, guys? Increasing of OH minus ion concentration. And who is decreasing, guys? H plus ion concentration is decreasing. So that is what is pH scale. So everything you have to remember. So now, even though 11, 12, 13, 14 are strong bases. So if I, for example, I have given pH value is 12 and pH value is 14. Then in this, who is the strong base, everybody? All of you?
pH value of 14.
14 is even more strong base. More stronger base than whom? All of you. Than pH
Then the
12.
pH of
Okay.
12 ion.
Same way. 0, 1, 2, 3 we used to call as strong acid. Then compared to pH 3, compared to suppose for example pH 3, So pH2 is a what? Strong acid or weak acid? Who is strong acid? pH2 is the strong acid than whom, guys? pH3. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Understood, all of you? That is what you have
Yes,
to
sir.
remember. So this is what is pH scale, and I hope everybody understand everything clearly. So anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, or else just 2 minutes time, everything completed clearly. Make it quick. This is only we used to call as what scale? All of you, we used to call as pH.
pH scale.
pH
Right.
scale.
Mr. Johan, understand? Harini?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what? That is a change. That is what we used to call change. Mr. Johan used to respond, automatically he will study. Mr. Kaushik will see. Or Gorra Madre, he never change. Do it. Mr. Aswin Balaji, you are also Aswin Gokul. Arul completed Arul. Make it quick, guys. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. All of you over? Complete fast. So when we are moving from 7 to 14, which ion concentration increases, which ion concentration decreases? Anybody?
OH minus ion increase.
OH minus
H plus
OH
ion
minus ion
decrease.
concentration increases and
Plus
ion
H
concentration
plus ion concentration decreases.
decreases. Or else, let me make overall. As we know, acids contains only H plus ions or OH minus ions also. Everybody.
both also.
Both they contains. That is why if I am moving from left hand to my right hand, continuously all of you observe, left hand to my right hand, directly I am writing. So decreasing of what ions? All of you?
H plus ion.
Yeah, decreasing H plus ion concentration. Together I am writing. And at a time, what is happening? Increasing?
Increasing of OH minus ion.
Yeah,
OH minus ion.
increasing OH minus ion concentration. LMA clear? Directly, no, directly from 0 to what? 0 to 14.
14.
Same way. If I am reversing from 14 to 0, then what will happen? All of you. If I am reversing
Increasing of H
14 to
plus
0, OH minus ion concentration decreases or increases?
Decreases.
Decreases. OH ion concentration decreases. And what is continuously increasing? H plus ion concentration.
Plus ions.
Understanding increases. Ellame clear? Everybody, that is
Yes.
what you have to remember. Abrami, can you hear me? Please proceed. Make it quick, all of you. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Mr. Vijay, Harvignesh, that is what. So that is what finally, only 3 things you remember. pH is less than 7. We used to call it as what? All of you. pH is less than 7.
Acid.
pH is equals to 7. Neutral. And pH is greater than 7. We used to call that. That's
Basis.
yeah. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Completed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Umar? Over? Okay. Shall we move? Everybody further? Okay, guys? Is it completed? Okay, I'll save it and I'll send it. Okay. Now, observe all of you. You take your NCERT textbook and you can see here. So this is the variation of pH with the change in concentration of H plus ions and as well as OH minus ions. Of course, better you draw this also in our classwork, so which will give you the overall idea. So at last we have written from left to right. Understanding? So what is happening, guys? From left to right, what is happening? H plus ion
OH minus.
concentration. H plus ion concentration. Yes, please.
Decreases.
Decreases and OH ion concentration increases. So now you see that. So when I'm moving from left to right, all of you observe, continuously somebody is increasing. Check it here. Who is increasing?
OH minus.
OH minus ion concentration. Ellame understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this dotted lines indicating OH minus ions. Now I am moving from right to left. This is what my right and this is what my left. Now I am moving from right to left. Now you can see. So which ion concentration is decreasing? All of you.
OH minus.
OH minus ion concentration decreasing. So that who is increasing?
H plus ion.
H plus ion
H plus
concentration.
ion concentration increases. Yes or no, guys? All of you? So that is what you have to remember it. Now, at the middle, neutral. So that pH is equals to what? 7. So H plus ion is equals to OH minus ion. That's what. Is it okay, guys? All of you? So this is also you should write it. So decrease in H plus ion concentration, moving like this. Increase in H plus ion concentration, moving like this. Now same arrow, I'll write one more thing. So I'm moving from here to here. What will happen? Decrease in OH minus ion in the concentration. Correct? Now moving like this,
Yes.
what will happen? All of you. Increase in OH minus concentration. Okay. Happy? Everybody clear? That is what about the pH scale. So very, very important. You have to read it, everything, and make it. So here also they mentioned you can see that. So 0 is very, very acidic and 14 is a what? Very, very, yes, very, very alkaline. Ellame understood, amma? So strong acid is pH is 0. Strong base is what? pH is
14.
Okay, now this is the tabular column. So test the pH values of solutions given in a table. So of course, if you go to the lab, we are having a ready-made pH scale. Understanding? All we can say pH meter. So just if you dip the pH meter inside it, you'll get the pH value. So record your observations. What is the nature of each substance on the basis of your observation? That is what they are asking. So we'll proceed now, all of you. Yes, that is first one. So first, saliva before meal. So saliva before meal, if you notice it, all of you, so definitely the pH value is a basic in nature. So color of pH paper before meal. So before meal, the approximate pH value is 7.4. All of you remember how much it is? 7.4. Saliva after meal, it will turns into acidic in nature. So that acidic nature means less than 7 or greater than 7. Everybody.
Less than
Less than 7.
So the value is 5.8. Okay. Let me write that first. Approximate pH value. Next, lemon juice. Anybody? pH value approximately 2.5.
less than 7.
Understanding? Less than 7. Colorless aerated drink. Colorless aerated drinks. Anybody? Colorless aerated drinks. Yes, please. Or else we can say soft drinks. So they contains carbonic acid. So that what is the pH?
Less than
Less
7.
than 7.
6. Carrot juice. If you take carrot juice, everybody. Yes, please. What is the carrot juice? Any one of you? Yes. Okay. So coffee. Let me wait. I'll check it. Coffee pH value is 5. Okay. Tomato juice. Anyone? Tomato juice acidic in nature or basic in nature? Tomato juice.
Acidic in
So
nature.
less than 7 or more than 7?
Less than
Less than
7.
Less than 7.
Tomato juice contains what acid?
Oxalic acid.
Oxalic acid.
Okay. That is what. Next. Next, what is that? Tomato juice 4.1. Next, tap water. Tap water means normal water. So tap water, what is the pH? It will be basic in nature or acidic in nature? Everybody,
Acidic in nature.
acidic in nature. Okay. No, it will be like minerals it contains. So tap water, if you have taken, it will be like we can take.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will not be in acidic in nature. It will be basic in nature only.